I'm singing a raga.
Wow, what's a raga?
A raga? A raga is combination of swaras bound by a scale and pleasing to ears.
Is that a specialty of classical music?
Yes, classical music sounds more beautiful when raga has got all these qualities. And do you know the classification of ragas?
So Indu, in my class I've learned that ragas are classified into two types. One is Janaka ragas, which are also known as the parent ragas, and the other one is the Janya ragas, which are derived from them.
So I've understood all of this information about ragas. But I heard that today's program is about raga malikas. What are those?
Raga Malikas are a garland of ragas. When they're all put together in one composition, it's called a Raga Malika. And today, we're going to have a program based on Raga Malikas, a bouquet of beautiful melodious ragas being presented just for you.
Sa re ga ma pa da ma pa da ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Do re mi fa so la ti do ti la so fa mi re do.
Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form originating from Tamil Nadu. Known for its expressive storytelling, technical precision, and spiritual significance, Bharatanatyam represents the rich culture and artistic heritage of our tradition.
Jono ನಿದ ಪದ ತೀರ್ಥದಿ ಮಪ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ. பஞ்சபிராமதேசகருக்கு நித்யமங்களம். பஞ்சபிராமதேசகருக்கு நித்யமங்களம். பக்தசுவாமிநாதனுக்கு கிருபசெய்ய நித்யமங்களம். சிவதேவருக்கு ஜெயம்